You're very interested in social housing.
Yes.
But why is it that so much social housing in the world is a failure? It ends up turning into a ghetto.
Well, it's out of sight. When it is out of sight, it is out of mind. That's all there is. Because our world is connected to people who want something, who can afford something. This one is the people who cannot afford. They can't pay the fees, they can't have money to build the house, they don't even have land.
Whose fault is this, though, sir? Is it the fault of architects who are not designing things well enough, or is it the fault of politicians?
No, it's a fault of the whole society at large, because we are not concerned. The politicians are only interested in what their purpose is about the vote and the area that they are involved with. Businessman is involved in doing his own business and do it. A poor farmer who is far away from urban areas, fighting himself, producing grains and vegetables and whatnot. So the whole life has been made now for a purpose which is very selfish.